English grammar. Few and a few. Note the difference between few and a few. Few is a negative term. Few people came to the party. It was boring. I have very few books. I'm going to buy some more when I have the money. He has few friends. A few is a much more positive term. Can you lend me a few books? I'm going to the cinema tonight with a few friends. I've been to the new swimming pool a few times. It's really big. The difference is a difference of attitude, not a difference in amount. Exactly the same principle applies with little and a little.